Hey guys, for those of you who doesn't know, I moved a few months ago into a new town. Same like city, but different area inside that city. So this is my view on my way to work. I'm kind of like countryside, so there's not much to see, just new buildings that they finished built and open land. They're still doing a whole bunch of construction, this is a new city. So
Double cup, big straight holy nuts. Out of my friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed. I check the bitch like I'm
here is my apartment tour. Let's type in my code and welcome. So this is my shoe closet. I don't have much, just some raggedy sneakers. And this one is empty. And here go an overview from the entrance. And on my left would be the bathroom. It's just a full shower, no tub. It's not that bad, but then the slide colors. Okay, my kids from my old school. Then this is like a storage closet. Yeah, I have like everything I need in there. And then we'll go to my room. Overview from the entranceway. My room is a mess, sorry. Some more things my kids wrote for me. And here goes my closet. It's quite big. And other side I just use for like pants and t-shirts. To the kitchen. Here go overview, dining area, washing area. Quite nice. Then this large fridge that I love, the freezer part, and the fridge. I don't got nothing in there. And it tells the temperature. You can change it on the outside. This is a spare room that I have, so I don't know what to do with this yet, so I just bought a couch bed. It turns into a couch, I guess. So I decided to go exploring. I did some walking because I noticed that there was some type of park close to my house. So I went to go find it. And this is what I found. So when I got here, I thought it was gonna be this simple little park, but no, it was actually a huge pond. So this is the view when I just got there. It was so beautiful. And this is the other side of the pond. In total, it took me like 2 hours to walk around this whole pond. So, yeah, imagine how big it is. Check out this view. The sunset was coming and it was just wonderful. But yeah, this is my new city. Hope you like it.